Is running muddy. I saw tons of debris in there.
Yeah.
We're going to continue to see that as the snow melts, and then we start to get more rain later this week.
Absolutely. This is one of those scenarios we don't like watching happen. The one thing that is working in our favor, though, is that our temperatures are not expected to rise dramatically. So we're not expecting massive snow melt. But the snow that is melting certainly is significant. We're seeing it all around our neighborhoods. Just a wet, sloppy mess out there. There's the Willamette River, downtown Portland. You can still see snow on the ground right there at the waterfront. Your temperature 41 degrees. Wind is calm right now. Our temperatures here in the downtown area expected to drop into the upper 30s just as the sun is beginning to rise. Now, depending on what kind of clearing we get, meaning clearing from those clouds, could mean the potential to see those temperatures drop closer to freezing. Where are we at right now? Dundee, Yamhill, 39 degrees. Hillsborough, 40, 38. Beaverton. Now, as you head over to Battleground, you're at 36, 38. Happy Valley, 39. Milwaukee. But still 41 here, PDX, 39 Troutdale. So we're going to watch carefully. Will these clouds clear enough to watch those temperatures drop to freezing? If that is the case, you know how much water is already out there on the roadways. Then we could be looking at the potential to have some black ice as a result, something that nobody wants to deal with, but just want to put it out there as a potential for those early morning hours if your commute starts you out right around 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. Looking at our wind speed and direction, this will be important as we roll into tomorrow night. More of an offshore flow, so we're going to cut off that southerly flow. Our temperatures during the day certainly will be back into the upper 40s, but overnight into tomorrow morning, we could once again see an opportunity for some cooler temperatures on the way. So let's take a look at what we're expecting here as we roll into tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, there's our offshore flow. We're still waiting for this front to show up here at the coast. Still, some spotty showers showing up at the coastline right around Tillamook, Astoria, but still relatively dry. Now, how cloudy are we at this point in the evening? If we don't have much for cloudiness, then our temperatures are really going to drop. If we have some cloud cover, that will actually help us out and perhaps keep us above freezing. But look at what happens as we get to Thursday morning. Anytime between about 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, look at this mix of precipitation that we're seeing over the coast range and possibly over as far as Longview or even, let's say, Woodland or over to Ridgefield. You might be briefly seeing a mix fall instead of just rain as we get to early Thursday morning. Of course, all of this depends on the exact timing of that front. But at this point, this is one of the possible scenarios, and we are expecting snow to fall for you in the gorge out towards the upper Hood River Valley and, of course, over the Cascades. Easy seeing it right there. As we roll into the rest of Thursday, more of a southwesterly flow takes over. That's going to push our temperatures up and also push up that freezing level too, closer to about 2,000 to 3,000 feet. As soon as we get to this weekend, more showers on the way. The south end of the valley will be the driest in comparison. Portland areas north will be certainly the wettest as we roll in through Monday. Here's a look at your planner for tomorrow. Again, a mostly dry day. Afternoon highs will be in the mid to upper 40s, upper 30s for you Central Oregon. 7-day forecast looks like this. Again, watching for how far we drop in those temperatures early tomorrow morning. Potential for black ice for some areas. Upper 40s tomorrow. But look at next week. We jump into the mid 50s by Monday.
Well, for the latest